In the deadly Siberian wilderness, where temperatures dropped to -71 degrees Celsius, one woman and her faithful dog faced a night that would change everything. Anna and her loyal husky Koda were searching for firewood when the storm suddenly grew worse. Koda froze, then barked wildly and dashed towards something hidden under the snow.
What Anna uncovered broke her heart. A mother gorilla and her tiny baby, both freezing to death. The mother's breathing was faint. Her baby cried helplessly in the deadly cold. Anna acts quickly. Without hesitation, Anna gave her own warmth to save them. Koda instinctively helped too.
Every step was a battle against 71 degrees below zero, but Anna refused to leave them behind. Koda dragged a sled from broken branches so the mother could rest. The team moved as one. The ice cracked beneath them, but Koda's instincts guided the group safely across. After what felt like an eternity, the cabin appeared, their only hope against the deadly cold.
Safe at last, the fire crackled as Koda shared his body heat with the tiny baby. Anna cared for every wound the cold had left. The mother gorilla slowly opened her eyes.
The tiny gorilla, whom Anna named Luna, started to trust Koda. A friendship across species began. Anna cooked hot porridge and fed them spoon by spoon. Strength slowly returned.
Luna even learned to hold the spoon herself. Laughter filled the tiny cabin for the first time.
That night, 4 hearts from 2 different worlds beat safely together. By morning, Luna and Koda had become inseparable playmates. Outside, danger returns. But peace was short-lived. A wildlife rescue team had tracked the signal Anna sent. The rangers arrived. They needed to take the gorillas to a proper sanctuary.
But they've been with us. It's so hard to say goodbye.
I understand, we must.
Will they be okay?
Anna's heart broke as she said goodbye. Luna cried and clung to her. The mother and Luna disappeared into the blizzard. Koda whimpered softly beside Anna. 1 year passed. Anna and Koda never forgot that freezing night.
Then Koda went wild, barking like he had that fateful night.
Koda! It's you!
There they were. The mother gorilla and Luna had returned, stronger and full of life.
Tears of joy flowed. They had come back to thank the woman who saved them. Koda and Luna ran and played in the snow like old friends who never forgot each other. The mother brought a simple gift from the forest, a symbol of gratitude. In the coldest place on earth, love had created an unbreakable bond. This is more than a rescue story. It's proof that compassion knows no species. Who will you show compassion to today? Would you risk everything to save a wild animal in need? Tell us in the comments, what would you do? If this story moved you, please like and share. Subscribe for more incredible true rescue stories. Even in minus 71 degrees, love can melt the coldest hearts. Kindness always finds its way home.
Thank you for watching this extraordinary story.
Spread kindness every single day. What touched you most about this story? Like, share, and subscribe for more heartwarming tales.